In this video, I'll show you how to convert your Facebook profile to a business account step by step. While Facebook doesn't allow you to directly convert a personal profile into a business account, you can create a Facebook page and manage it with Meta Business Suite. First, open the Facebook app or visit facebook.com in your web browser and sign in to your personal Facebook account. Next, tap the menu icon, select Pages, and tap Create New Page. Enter your business name, choose the most relevant business category, and add a description. Then, upload your business profile picture and cover photo to complete the setup. Once your Facebook page is created, open Meta Business Suite and sign in with the same Facebook account. Your page will appear automatically, allowing you to manage posts, messages, ads, insights, and other business tools from one dashboard. You can also connect your Instagram account, add team members, and manage business assets if needed. That's how you can start using Facebook for your business, since personal profiles can't be converted directly into business accounts. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.